Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talks. Today we are going to continue with our software engineering basics, and we are going to tackle a very important topic on the difference between the keywords let, var, and const in JavaScript. We're also going to learn what is hoisting exactly. What is hoisting, guys? So let's just begin. Let's begin, guys. Let's begin. Let's just expand this a little bit. Yes, hope you guys can see. Guys. Today I'm going to make the font large for you. Yeah, let me show you. I'm going to make the font large. You can see. Yes. So today, let's start here. Let's start by doing what? Let's start by defining what is hoisting. Hoisting is where JavaScript functions and variables declarations are moved on top of their scope before execution of the code. So what is the difference between var, let, and const? Var is function or global scoped, whereas let and const are block scoped. Let's see the difference between that. Let's create a file called keywords.js. Open it in Vim editor. Okay. So here we have a variable. Let's turn into insert mode. Okay. So let's see the difference using the block scope. Sure. Let's have a function called function check. Okay. So here, we'll have a variable a equals to 10. Sure. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have if true. If true, if true, variable b equals to 20. Sure. So we want to console.log a plus b. Then let's close a function declaration. Let's call our function here check. Okay. If we run this function, we should not get an error because var keyword is function scoped, and so even if it's in an if block, it should be accessed outside. Let's check. Yes, we get 30. Let's try the same with let, the let keyword. Yeah. So let's just edit this to be let. And you can see the difference, guys. Let. let. Reference error, B is not defined. So as you can see, guys, we are getting B is not defined because it cannot be accessed outside the if scope. Same to const keyword. Now that is the first difference between var, let, and const, which is about block scope and function of global scope. Let's see it in a function that was variable. Let's see if this function can be called. Can be called before. Let's just have var so that we don't get the block scope error. Sure, guys. So let's call this function before declaration. Not that one. Yes, guys, as you can see also, the function can be hoisted. So that is hoisting of the function. Let's try and hoist a variable. Let's hoist a variable. So let's have a equals to 10. Then a equals to 10. Then we run. As you can see, guys, we had not declared our variable here. We just initialized, but as you can see, it's not giving us an error. This is why. This is because of variables hoisting. Hope you've gotten it, guys. Yeah, let's continue. So what is the difference between let and const? Let is block scoped, same as const. But let cannot be redeclared, and no, constant cannot be redeclared in the same scope, while let can be declared in the same scope. Let can be declared without initialization, whereas const must be declared with initialization. Another difference, let can be updated, whereas const cannot be updated. Let's see the difference, guys. Let's just do it here. Node, ripple. So let's have let 10. And then let A. Let's use something. Let W. Then we are going to do, what are we trying to? Okay, then const Q. You can see, guys, missing initializer in const declaration. So a constant must be declared with an initialization. Must be declared with an initialization, as you can see, guys, and it cannot be updated. It cannot be updated, whereas the let can be updated. Yes, guys. So those are the main differences between var, let, and const keywords. And what is hoisting? We've defined the definition of hoisting and seen how hoisting takes place.